Trades, the ultimate tournament. With $100,000 of prize money on the line, 4 highly skilled teams will battle it out in a real-world advanced manufacturing competition. This season, we're showcasing aviation.
The excitement, the energy is high.
You can see the intensity on the contestants' faces.
It's always a challenge. I'm always thinking of some way to push the envelope.
Clash of Trades is presented by Project MFG, a movement to promote, elevate, and accelerate the trade workforce pipeline, with the key focus to inform future generations on the vast careers available in the American domestic trade industry. After several qualifying rounds, it all comes down to this. The final leg of the tournament will grant this year's highest skilled team and their trade school hands-on experience with industry experts and leading-edge technology.
Never give up.
Never gonna give up.
There's been some late nights, there's been heartache, there's been tension, but lots of laughs, met a lot of great folks.
Attitude means everything.
Y'all yelling at me, tell me it's fun.
Everybody's yelling at me. You know, we go down with the ship together or we all win together.
There's a lot of pressure on the welders. If they don't make something that's watertight, then nothing, they can't win.
Then we might have some kind of catastrophic problem here.
This is my whole life. It's a big deal.
Let's watch as they climb their way to the top for their chance to win $100,000 and 2022 national title of Clash of Trades champions in advanced manufacturing.
How many people are able to say that they were even here? Started out with 32 teams and only 4 are left.
All right, it's a moment of truth.
Who will weld, program, and machine their way to victory? Tune in to find out.